What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to be working on this 2006 Jeep Commander, and we're going to be replacing the blower fan motor. So it's going to be located underneath the glove compartment, and let me show you why are we going to be replacing the blower fan motor. So when you go full speed, it's making a noise. So that's why we're going to be replacing it. So first thing that we need to do is remove this cover. We're gonna have two screws, one here and one here. And as you can see, there's the blower motor. We have the connector, and we have three screws, one here, one over there, and one over here, which they are Torx. Okay, so we're gonna disconnect the blower motor, and then we have three screws, which they are a Torx T20. And so what you want to do before you put them on is obviously make sure that they are exactly the same. The connector matches the old one, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and put it on. And let's go ahead and connect it. And let's go ahead and try it. Make sure we don't have any noise. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and put the cover back on, and you're good to go. Alright guys, well there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next video.